Hello guys, welcome back to Air in Tech. This is Yash. Today we are going to discuss the release of iPhone 16e, the most affordable and the most powerful device of the Apple family. Now during the event, Apple has promised us some amazing features that are going to be introduced with this base model. I was pretty surprised at first, but later on I felt like maybe this is what the public needed. An affordable iPhone with the features that can come in handy. Who really wants a device that can capture images in 100x? Who uses that in daily life? But genuinely, for this device, I was really happy as it is affordable, powerful, and it promises all the basic features that can come in handy in our day-to-day life. Let's discuss this in detail. Straight off the bat, iPhone 16e comes with Apple Intelligence. We all have been waited long enough to try this feature hands-on, and Apple took a while to just publicly release this feature, but thankfully it is now all out and we can truly experience what this innovation is capable of. iPhone 16e users will also have a chance to test it out themselves and express themselves without any hassle. Bionic chip that we had seen previously in the iPhone 16 series, and of course being the child from that series, the device does pretty well. And for a compact and affordable device, it is pretty promising in my opinion. And A18 will also allow the users to play graphic extensive games, remove objects from the photos using Apple Intelligence, and so much more. The sky is the limit with Apple Intelligence, right? The iPhone 16e is 80% faster than iPhone 11 series. Yes, I understand the gap is wide, but still, many people are still bound to using that old gen models. And I think this is a great way for them to upgrade into the future, as the phone is very affordable. I will definitely share the price in the end of the video, so stick till the end. Now Apple has also benefited the users with an in-house designed cellular modem that helps to improve the 5G connectivity of this device. To me it looks pretty wonky, as the cellular reception entirely depends on the region that you are operating the device at. I don't know how much capable is this chip, and I am not really sure how much this chip will add to that feature, but I'm really excited to see if it does really help. It will be a great extension for users to utilize their device to the full capacity. One thing that really surprised me the most was how this iPhone was designed to create a power efficient device. The iPhone 16e promises up to 26 hours of playback time, and that is truly phenomenal for a device. For a 6.1-inch iPhone, I think having such long hours of runtime can definitely help in at least lasting throughout the day, whether you are recording videos, playing games, or simply using your phone for entertainment. This is something that Apple users really needed. And genuinely, I have used the previous gen SE models like SE2 and SE3, and I really believe the battery output of this device is really breathtaking, as people will have more time to do whatever things they are used to in their iPhone without having to worry about or running after a power bank. And even if when you need to charge, thankfully the iPhone 16e comes with C-type charging. Yes, I was really skeptical at first, that I was like maybe they will go back to lightning, but thankfully they did not. Seems like it has been industrialized for iPhones now, so that is really good. And yes, this device also supports wireless charging, so you can always charge on the go. Now at the heart of iPhone 16e, we definitely are equipped with iOS 18. Being an Apple user, I'm not really a fan of iOS 18. I believe somehow they have overly complicated the basic stuff. But anyhow, we are getting the latest one, so can't really help it. That's what we are stuck with. So have to manage up until we get iOS 19, and I really hope it's better than the 18. One thing they mentioned out of the box was how many more languages were to be introduced in Apple Intelligence. That is really something an AI should be capable of right from the start. But okay, let's just give them a chance, and at least they are trying to make it better. So really hoping to see its full potential by April, I guess. Now another thing that piqued my interest was the action button. I was really glad that Apple kept that feature for this device as well, as people will have a quick and efficient way to access their favorite apps or tools in their iPhone. Comes in handy while you are at it, or you're just busy, or you just want something to be at your fingertips at all times. Just imagine if you had to turn on the torch quickly, or you wanted to get quick information on something that you have just seen. You can just tap the action button, access visual intelligence, and get real-time info on it. comes in really handy is what I'm trying to say. Now, the feature that we adore Apple for, it's camera. And I am really amazed of how they have managed to use this opportunity into creating something futuristic. The Apple iPhone 16e comes with a 2-in-1 48 megapixel fusion camera that will help you capture stunning images without needing an extra accessory for lighting or those kind of things. Apple has truly optimized this device for low light photos. Not only helps you capture awesome pictures but 4K videos as well. So there's no limit to it when it comes to iPhone's camera. The 48 megapixel sensor of this iPhone will allow you to capture images in ultra high resolution without missing a pixel. And that is really something that we need in our day-to-day life. We don't like compromising on our memories. So yes, truly a great thing. iPhone also automatically balances lights and details, so you get the best possible outcome from this device. And what's more beautiful is it provides up to 4 times the resolution provided in previous gen iPhones as well. For an affordable device, it only provides 2x zoom. But I mean, genuinely, who really needs more than that? I mean, isn't it more than enough to capture stunning images? The 2x telephoto lens will allow you to capture images in optimum quality without missing any details. It is truly worthwhile to spend time with your new affordable iPhone and just play with it. And yes, there is the traditional portrait mode that will help you capture studio-like images right on your iPhone. I mean, what more can you ask from an iPhone's camera? They just have provided everything that you may require. So whether you want to capture awesome photos on a sunny day, or even in a dark atmosphere, or in a low lighting condition, there's always the night mode to help you capture beautiful and light rich images in just one tap. And when it comes to the front facing camera, it is as good as every iPhone 16 series model, so you don't have to compromise on quality, at least camera wise. And from what I have seen in the event, it comes to me as a shock, but I am truly amazed how Apple managed to fix so many of their complaints in just one device. So yeah, definitely worth it. So yes, you can capture selfies with high light and detail, and with the autofocus mode, you can ensure that everyone in your selfie looks pristine. And for those like me, I mean the clumsy one out there, the iPhone 16e comes with a ceramic shield that provides 4 times better the drop protection in our day-to-day life. The enclosure of the device is made from aerospace aluminum, and even if we see previous gen models, the iPhone has always tried to deliver themselves when it comes to the device durability. The iPhone 16e comes in 2 color variants, matte white and black. I mean, this is where something I would have expected Apple to provide more options to users, or they could have experimented with different colors or styles so that they can appeal to a newer audience. I think they decided to stick with minimalistic designs. They did not put much effort into it, and really, I'm not saying I'm disappointed with this, but could have been better. Now, just like previously how they have discussed how secure iPhone is, even they have tried to continue their legacy in iPhone 16e as well, as it provides satellite connectivity and all the emergency features that one may require in unhappening situations. So I guess you get what I mean. Let's just not hope, but unfortunately, if you were ever into a car crash, the iPhone will automatically contact emergency services and will alert them as soon as possible. I mean, this comes in really handy when you think about it, as we are never really sure of what may happen. But yeah, really worth it. And also, for those countries and regions that support satellite connectivity, iPhone 16e will keep you connected at all times. Honestly, this is really that can be very helpful for those explorers who like to go on the unexplored places all alone, and yet they want to inform something to their family. So good job. And when it comes to pricing, the iPhone 16e is available at $599. I mean, the base model is available at $599, that is 128 GB. And I mean, this is a pretty decent price at which you can try this iPhone on and get a hang of it. And if you like what you see, you can even decide to upgrade it in few years. And for those who are existing iPhone users who have been stuck with iPhone 11 to 14 series, this is your chance to upgrade to a newer generation iPhone. I mean, yes, you without breaking the bank, you will get all you need on your fingertips. The screen is big enough like an iPhone 15 or 16 model, and it is a feature-rich device. So there's like no turning back now. So that is all about iPhone 16e, made with awesome features to fulfill your everyday need. Well, in my opinion, I'm really impressed of what they have provided to the customers in this new gen iPhone. I really like how they have implemented all the features that were restricted to iPhone 16 and implemented it to an affordable device. At least people will now have an option to experience it on hand, even if someone is shifting from an Android to iPhone. It won't cost them as much as a traditional iPhone, but still they will have access to all the amazing features. I mean, the camera quality is as good as iPhone 15, the action button, Apple Intelligence, and the emergency features that they have mentioned in like satellite communication and everything. It really is a feature packed device. I mean, we cannot argue with that. However, I really expected this iPhone to come with many more color options, but I think they just decided to stuck with two. But that really isn't something that I'm that bothered of. The colors are pretty minimalistic and sleek to look at. Still, I think this may be one of the iPhones that I have seen in recent years to be value for money. So yes, from my side, I'll rate it 4 out of 5 stars. I just taken off 1 star limited color options, but yes, this is still a pretty decent device that is worth to try out. So what are your opinions? Share me in the comment section, and do tell us if you will be willing to shift from an Android to an iPhone just to try its features out at this affordable price. And before you go, do not forget to tap that subscribe button and press that bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest videos.